Once you have a good understanding of what the organizational problem is and what is the current state, then you need to start conducting research and getting more information to solve the problem. There are two kinds of research that you can do. The first one is primary research. And primary research is when you or your team are directly going out and getting the information. This could be interviewing different people in the organization, conducting a survey, observing what people are doing. So you are having direct access to the data and you can take it and analyze it firsthand. However, many times it is difficult to get direct access to data, and you may have to rely on secondary data. Secondary data is when you are taking other people's work and the data that has been collected by others or even analyzed by others and try to make sense of it and apply it to your current problem. So in secondary research, it could be looking at industry best practices and benchmarking against what others are doing, or just looking at the information that has been gathered previously and analyzing what is given to you. Data can be qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative data is more open information. You are interviewing people and getting a general sense. You are reading about what is happening in the industry. So they are not necessarily boxed into numbers and are not as tangible to compare and analyze. So you have to gather the qualitative data, review them, and read between lines and make sense of the information that is given to you. Quantitative data is easier to measure. This is when you have a rating for customer satisfaction, when you have a number for employee turnover. So you can actually measure them, compare them, and apply various analysis methods to understand them. Data analysis is an important part of doing a consulting project. And sometimes the consultant themselves may not have all of those skills. And that's why they have to rely on a team that does have that knowledge and skill to analyze the data, find patterns, connect the dots, and draw conclusion from the information that is given to them. Understanding the data and the facts that are specific about the organization, the problem, or the industry that you're working with is what will make you a better consultant.